Protests in Bihar over alleged irregularities in the BPSC exam that continues, fueled by claims of questioned paper leaks and late distribution. They are therefore demanding a complete cancellation of the exam and a re-examination. Those aspirants have been protesting in Patna. Yesterday, the protest in Gandhi Maidan demanding that re-examination to be held has in fact been ruled out, and it led to a complete chaos. I mean, look at the visuals on your screen where water cannons were used, lathi charge was used by the police in order to disperse that crowd. And of course, it is on grounds of citing a lack of evidence for that decision that has been taken in order to rule out the retest for the 70th combined competitive preliminary exam.
हम स्वयं जो है माइकिंग कर रहे थे, हमने बार बार उनको बोला कि आपके प्रतिनिधि हमारे समक्ष नहीं आ रहे हैं, और जो भी इन लोगों को यहाँ तक मार्च करवाने के लिए लेकर आए थे वो इनका जो है छोड़ चुके हैं। उनको यहाँ छोड़कर वो निकले यहाँ से। उसके बाद भी हमने बोला कि आप जो है आपकी जो भी मांगे हैं वो हमारे समक्ष रखिए, वार्तालाप के लिए हम लोग तैयार हैं, लेकिन वो यहाँ जमे रहे, अपनी हट पे अड़े रहे। बार बार अनुरोध करने के बाद भी धक्का मुक्की जो है अभ्यर्थियों द्वारा या जो भी उसमें लोग थे उनके द्वारा की गई, प्रशासन के साथ, हम लोगों के साथ, स्वयं हमारे साथ जो है धक्का मुक्की की गई। फिर भी हम लोग जो है अभ्यर्थियों के साथ खड़े थे, उनको समझा रहे थे। आखिरी में जो है मजबूर होकर हम लोगों के द्वारा वाटर कैनन का यूज किया गया। उसमें भी हमने स्वयं बीच में आकर जो है लोगों को उठाया गया, परंतु वो लोग जो है नहीं हटे। अब जो है हम इसको खाली करवा रहे हैं।
आज बड़ी पीड़ा हुई जिस प्रकार से पुलिस ने 70वें बीपीएससी परीक्षा के जितने भी हमारे साथी थे, अभ्यर्थी थे, जिस प्रकार से उनको पीटा गया, लाठी चार्ज कराया गया, कई लोगों जो हैं बुरी तरीके से घायल हैं, पानी का बौछार किया गया इस ठंड के माहौल में, जिसकी हम कड़ी निंदा करते हैं और खेद प्रकट करते हैं। सभी जितने हमारे अभ्यर्थी हैं, मैं उन सभी लोगों से कहना चाहता हूं कि तेजस्वी यादव आपके साथ खड़ा है, मजबूती के साथ।
And to get more on this, we have Prabhakar joining us. The All India Students Association has gone ahead and called for a chakka jam that's going to be taking place today in order to protest against the use of force that we can see on our screens, the force that was used by the police on the protesting students. Prabhakar.
Yeah, exactly. The left parties have called for a chakka jam, and the students continue with their dharna. That is at the Gardani Bagh Dharna station, which is where they are parked for last 12 days. Remember, today is the 12th day of protest. It was on the 11th day, that is yesterday, when it actually took an ugly turn. Otherwise, they were sitting on a dharna very patiently, very peacefully. But yesterday, they gathered at Patna's Gandhi Maidan. They held a students' parliament over there, the Chhatra Sansad as they were calling it, and the students had gathered there despite the ban by the administration, despite denial of the permission by the administration. And later in the evening, they took out a protest march towards Raj Bhavan and Chief Minister's residence, which actually took an ugly turn, as we are showing to our viewers. And the police had to resort to lathi charge and also use of water cannon. That protest was being led by a few of the political leaders as well, including Prashant Kishore of Jan Suraj. So the administration yesterday lodged a case against 11 named accused, which also includes Prashant Kishore, who is the founder of Jan Suraj, and his national president as well. And there are other party bearers. There are few coaching operators, coaching center operators, who have also been named accused in this particular case. And 700 unknown students have been named accused in this particular protest which happened yesterday on the streets of Patna. Today, the chakka jam has been called by the left parties, and the dharna continues by the protesting students.